Oh, the boys want to pet you. Yeah.
Oh, baby.
He's going to do it. He's going to jump.
Nice. Here.
Like a dog. The fox.
Watch him. This is funny as hell when he does this. See?
How can I do it without breaking a leg? How can I do it?
Watch, here we go.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Facing the situation.
Jack found a hiding spot. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. What you want? What you want? What you want? Come to me. Come to me. Please, baby. Yeah. All right.
Oh, he did it.
Should put it on YouTube.
He is amazing. What's your reward up there, Max? What are you finding?
There's something in the next door.
The next door to the left is the one he really wants.
Christmas.